If you're having problems passing stools, there are a couple of things you can try to make it easier. Nature would have us squat down, but the closest we can get to that is to raise your knees like this on a pile of books or a footstool. Lean forward, elbows on your knees, and relax. Think about pushing your stomach out while keeping your back as straight as you can. Even if you can't go because of constipation, just getting in this position can help relieve the urges and relax your digestive system. You can help yourself by eating a diet rich in fibre, so that's more fruits, veg and brown bread, rice and pastas. Fluid can also help keep your bowels moving. Some tablets can lead to constipation. Review your meds if you think it could be happening to you or somebody you care for. An occupational therapist can help with positioning on the loo. Physios can help with exercises, and pharmacists are well placed to talk about laxatives. Sometimes it can be caused by something as simple as a change in routine. Whatever it is, try and talk to a healthcare professional sooner rather than later to help get things moving again.